split chickpea chayote stew, or split chickpea Mirliton stew, or split Garbanzo Beans Chayote stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes, and one of the most unique of the Garbanzo Beans recipes, and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the Chayote recipes. We are going to make split chickpea chayote stew. The ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, and a quarter spoon of Nigella seeds, 1.5 spoons of ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 shallots, 1 onion ground into a nice puree, around 150 grams of chayote peeled and cut into pieces, and 100 grams of split chickpea, split deskinned chickpea, soaked in water for 2 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the Nigella seeds, salt, put in the shallots, and the garnish. Salt the shallots thoroughly. Till they lose the pinkish color. Now put in the onion puree, salt, the onion puree, put in the ginger garlic paste, mix, keep on sauteing, put in the chayote paste, thoroughly mix, Mix thoroughly. Mix the chayote pieces with the rest of the ingredients. Put in 1 spoon of mixture spices. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix. Mix the tomato pieces. Thoroughly mix. Put in 1 spoon of chili powder. Mix. Now put in the split chickpea. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in some curry leaves and mix and take off the flame after cooking for the required time. Final split chickpea chayote stew or split chickpea Mirliton stew or split garbanzo beans chayote stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most delicious of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most different of the Chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the Garbanzo Beans recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.